Well, here we are for our next big exciting test. This is everything of our first phase connected. So that's our friend the SID right there. And core board and everything, display. Even got the audio connected, though I am having so much trouble with these stupid little connectors, whatever the hell they're called. But electricity has now been split. It's going between the two boards. Got some MIDI going on, and let's flick that switch, and I suspect I'm just going to see the word ready, because that seems to be its thing right now. Okay, so we got ready there, and something did happen over here. Now I guess the question is, can I send something to it? I guess the question is, do I know how to send something to it? Let's see. Keyboard. I didn't do anything. I don't see a keyboard. The keyboard is a lie. Seriously, where's the keyboard? I don't understand. Okay. I just want to send you some data. Plain old computer keyboard. Oh, okay. Well, it's sending notes at least, so... Ooh, look at that. Am I getting any audio? I'm not seeing anything happening over there, so I'm assuming no. But, let's see. Oh, hey, there's me. Let's not look at me. In fact, let's pause. Okay, just to finish up, I got this program installed, and I had to send software into this little guy for it to work, but now I've uploaded a test pattern program or whatever, and it seems to work. I'll do it one more time, so let's turn it on and you'll hear a tone. There it is. That sound is coming, in fact, from the SID. Kind of wanted to be more impressive with like Skate or Die or something like that, but that's what I get. But yeah, that's input. And hopefully that's the sound I'm supposed to hear.